Today was an eventful day in the trial of two former Williamson County deputies who are facing manslaughter charges.
The first week of the trial wrapped up earlier this afternoon. Prosecutors say J.J. Johnson and Zach Camden used excessive force and tased Javier Ambler multiple times when trying to arrest him after a car chase back in 2019. Today, the state brought in two witnesses, use of force expert and consultant in forensic medicine.
KVUE's Isabella Basco has been following this trial all week for us. And Isabella, go over what happened in court today.
O'Brien and Quita, the jury continued to watch more body and dash camera footage of the incident that took place between the deputies and Ambler, with Dr. Michael Freeman testifying in the later part of the day. Now, Dr. Freeman was testifying about the circumstances that surrounded Ambler's death and his medical history, saying he was not a healthy man, which is important in not only establishing what is the likely cause of his death, but also what happens when you add more stress to someone with a heart condition. During the state's questioning, he says that first tase could have started the cascade that affected his heart, or it could have been after.
But for the restraint, by far the most likely cause of his death, they would have been avoided. In other words, he wouldn't have died. Take away the restraint, and there's no evidence that he was going to die, that he would have died.
The defense cross-examined Dr. Freeman, asking if Ambler was resisting law enforcement.
But as far as resisting, he certainly was resisting. You can see it. You've got strong deputies wrestling with this big, not wrestling, but trying to manipulate this man's arm, and clearly he doesn't want to give it up and have it pulled behind him.
And the jury also heard from Roger Clark, a police consultant who is retired from the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department. Day 6 of testimony is expected to start back up on Monday morning, with the defense telling us they'll likely start their case on Tuesday. We'll be